Hey guys, John Rettinger here with John4Lakers.com, and I wanted to give you guys my opinion on the new Apple product revisions that are coming. I get this question a lot in emails. What do you think is coming? Should I wait? Should I not wait? I don't have any insider information, but I can see industry trends and I've analyzed them a bit. I'm going to share with you guys my opinions on what I think is coming from Apple in the next, I'd say, within 3 weeks. First, I think that the MacBook line is going to get revised to have an all aluminum casing in a much thinner form factor with the rounded edges, similar to the MacBook Air. Um, Still going to keep the slot loading drive. I think all the ports are going to stay the same. I think you're going to see increase in speed, processor speed, increase in hard drive capacity. And other than that, I don't think there are going to be that many changes. I think it's mostly going to be a design change with some minor process bumps. But with the minor process bumps and design changes, it's going to get closer to the MacBook Pro. I think this is where the big changes are going to come and how Apple is going to distinguish the MacBook from the MacBook Pro. So I think the MacBook Pro is going to keep its aluminum casing, probably going to get the rounded edges that the MacBook Air has. I think they're also going to add HDMI to the MacBook Pro. I think they're also going to add slot loading Blu-ray drives. I would say that is a certainty, and that's really one of the only few ways they have left to differentiate the Pro line from the consumer MacBook line. Rumors have been circulating about glass trackpad in the MacBooks. I think if those do show up, they're more likely to show up in the MacBook Pro and be able to use those for what I would assume would be more multi-touch capabilities, similar to the screen on an iPhone. I wouldn't bet on those though. But the big changes that I would assume are coming for the MacBook Pro, again, would be HDMI output, perhaps even wireless USB, and slot loading Blu-ray drives. I'd also expect all notebooks, all three notebooks, the MacBook Air, the MacBook Pro, and the MacBook to all have significant price drops as well. I would expect an entry-level MacBook to start at $999. I'd also expect the MacBook Air to get an increase in processor speed as well as hard drive. I think that's a foregone conclusion is bound to happen. This revision, I would not expect any additional ports. I think that may come at Macworld in January. Other than that, guys, these are just my takes on the Apple notebooks and what I think is going to be happening in the next few weeks. On the iPod front, I think it's a foregone conclusion that the iPod Nano is getting revised. Gone will be the short, fat version of today, and what we'll have is an elongated version with a wide screen, similar to what the Zune looks like actually. Be more rectangle shaped with a wider screen. I think we'll see slimmer iPod Touches at lower price points, and I think we'll see increased capacity in the iPod Classic. I would not anticipate the Classic changing that much because it's Classic. So price drops all around in the iPods and the MacBook lines. I don't think the desktops are going to change, maybe speed bumps, but I don't think that the iMac, or the Mac Pro, or even the Mac Mini is going to change in the next couple of months. So if you're thinking about buying a computer, wait until the end of September at least to see what's out. Anyway, guys, just my take and opinion. This is what I think is going to happen. Again, no insider information, just what I think. So this is John Rettinger with John4Lakers.com, and I will talk to you guys soon. And if you like some more updates, be sure to follow me on Twitter. I'll put the link in the sidebar, and be sure to check out the website. Link will be up there as well. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye.